All right, today's the topic is Ipsec over MPLS cloud. So we can see here the topology. This is the head office. I mean the LAN subnet. I mean the LAN of the head office, and this is LAN of the branch office. Right, communication will be happen between the LAN subnet of head office and branch office, a LAN subnet of branch office, and the tunnel will be established. I mean the communication over the tunnel is going on. So this is the MPLS cloud actually. The tunnel will establish between IR1 IR2 over the MPLS, right? So let's start. So you can see the configuration on the right side. I pasted all the configuration. You can copy and paste. If you're going to configure, pause the video and just note it down on your notepad, and you can configure one by one. Here I'm going to configure one by one, and let me check the configuration on IR1 and IR2. Right, so the configuration will be the IP I already configured. So IP interface brief, this is the LAN IP, and the public IP is 91.22.0.2, right? 10.1.1.1. This is the user PC, the gateway 10.1.1.1, IP is .10. This is the user PC, 10.2.1.1 is gateway, and .10 is the IP of PC. So IP interface brief on IR2. It's you can see the LAN and the public IP as well, right? So let me configure. I have to define access list 100, permit IP host to host. So host is LAN, head office 10.1.1.0 and 0.0.0.255, and the host of the peer 10.2.1.1. so 10.2.1.0 0.0.0.255. That's it. Okay, now ISEC-MP enable. I mean we have to enable the ISEC-MP. So crypto ISEC-MP enable. Okay, you can see the pop-up. Yeah, and crypto ISEC-MP policy, I will put here policy is 10, and hash is SHA, right? And authentication is pre-share. And after that, group I have to define 5, and lifetime, you can see the value. I am going to put 120 here. And encryption I will use AES, and that's it. And I have to define key. So crypto ISEC-MP key 0, and you have to put key whatever you want, right? And address would be the peer IP, right? 91.2. Oops, I have to put address 91.23.0.2. Finish. So let me verify. Do so crypto ISEC-MP policy, and also you can see the key as well, right? See, here is the key, you can see. And after that I have to define transform set, IPsec transform set, my time, ESP, AES, and ESP SHA HMAC. That's it. And also we can verify transform set. So crypto IPsec transform set. So do show crypto IPsec transform set. Yeah, do show crypto IPsec transform set. You can see the default is ESP, AES, and ESP. The same, I did the same as a default, right? And now time for map, crypto map my time map. You have to put any value, 10 Ipsec Ipsec MP, right? And yeah, but the peer is necessary, right? For valid access list have been configured already, so we need to define the peer IP, right? So if you're not going to define peer IP, so access list will not work. You can see here as a note, right? Now match address, the access list you have defined already. Set transform set the map my time map, I mean the my time map, yes, no, only my time, yes. So map will be we'll have to define on interface, right? So let me verify. So crypto map, this is the map, peer access list, right? And lifetime and transform set, right? And the map my time map, but you cannot see any interface or mapped on crypto map. So we need to define public facing interface, which is MPLS cloud. So crypto map my time, that's it. Now you can see as MP is on, right? You can verify. Now you can see the interface is mapped on crypto map, right? So now that's it's configure finished over on IR1. You can verify SA cannot see because traffic has not been initiated yet. And let me configure, the similar configuration would be here on IR2, exactly same configuration whatever you have defined on IR1. So access list 100 no, I have to define access list 100 permit IP host to host. Now host is the branch office 10.2.1.0 and 0.0.0.255, and the peer would be the head office 10.1.1.0.0.0.255. Crypto Ipsec MP enable crypto Ipsec MP policy, right? I'm not going to copy paste, I'm just going to configure one by one, so it will be very helpful if you're configuring. So command would be in practice, right? So during troubleshoot you can remember the command, or you can see how you can configure this the Ipsec, right? Usually I'm doing like this, but in real environment you have to do notepad and copy paste, so you make sure the configuration would be not mismatched, right? Configuration done over here on R2. Let me verify key. That's it. So also you can verify the key. So crypto Ipsec MP policy, yeah, policy and Ipsec MP key as well, right? So that's it. Yeah, key, yes. Fantastic. So now the crypto Ipsec transform set my time, ESP, AES and ESP SHA HMAC. Oops. SHA HMAC. Yes. And yeah, we can verify do show crypto Ipsec transform set. Ipsec transform set, yes. as default I defined over here. And now configure the map, crypto map, my time, 10, Ipsec, MP. So similar pop-up you can see over here. You have to define a peer, otherwise the access list will not work, right? This new crypto map will remain disabled until a peer and valid access list have been configured, right? You can understand. Set peer and match address and set transform, set my time. Verify, do show crypto map, right? So you cannot see here the interface. You can see the peer, right? So let me define the map on interface, the interface facing the MPLS. Yes, crypto map, map is my time. Yeah, that's it, finished. You can see the SMP is now on. Here you can see also the all configuration is similar on R1. So but you cannot show any traffic, any security association here. So you cannot say anything until and unless traffic has been initiated or not. So let me initiate the traffic from head office to branch. Let me ping to branch office, and this is the continuous ping. Yeah, congratulations, the ping is happening. Now you can see the parameter and the state, okay, a tunnel state, and also you can see the Ipsec SA. See, so you can see the SPI and status and tunnel, and also you can see the encryption and decryption packet, how many packet is encrypted and decrypted. Similarly, this is the IR1. You can also verify on IR2 as similar. So crypto Ipsec MP SA, here you can see, and crypto Ipsec SHA, security association, right? So similarly you can see the packet encryption and decryption, how many. So you can see the traffic, the packet has increased, and SPI as well. If you want to deep dive in packet label, we need to capture via Wireshark. So let me capture it. So this feature you can understand the parameter and the messages, right? So this is interview level. If someone is asked, most of the time the interviewer will ask about the messages, how many messages on phase 1 and phase 2, like this. So if you want to go deep dive to understand the messages, so you can go through via Wireshark. Like we can set up a small lab and we can understand the tunnel, the messages over the tunnel, how it goes, right? So Ipsec MP information you can see here. Let me click it and see. You can see his initiator and replier and source address and destination address and source port, right? And SPI, these are the parameter you can verify, right? Thank you.